Whoa, it's been a minute. Hi. Hello. Hi. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. It's been a while. It's been a couple weeks since I've posted on YouTube, and that's just because I had a lot of work stuff that was going on along with just being present for the holidays. But I really wanted to post this video before the year ended for 2021, and I have so much to be grateful for, so much to share. There's a video that I planned on making a couple weeks ago, film footage for it, but it just never came together the way that I envisioned it, and I thought I would still share it with you. And it's basically a vlog that I made while I was traveling for my last wedding. Yeah, I'm just gonna share with you that vlog that's basically half built out, and I'll talk maybe a little bit after I show you that why it's half built and why I never ended up really posting and publishing it. So yeah, I'll just kind of see you after that. So here's that vlog. Did you like that? You probably got dizzy watching that. I am photographing my last wedding, and it's not in Chicago. I'm actually flying for the wedding that's taking place tomorrow. And so I'm actually gonna just take you guys along for this video and make a little vlog out of it. Bye, ladies.
뚜껑 하라고 했지, 뚜껑. 어?
I'm gonna make a vlog out of me leaving. I guess no one cares that I'm leaving.
We care. We're gonna miss you. Oh,
Bye! I'm leaving!
wait, what's on my face? Is it green? I feel like I just...
They literally don't care that I'm leaving, so... Alright, let's just get going. Hi, I didn't vlog and do as much stuff as I intended because I honestly was just really tired and I was working on the plane. But I'll catch you guys in the morning and fill you guys in on where I am and chat more about my last wedding that I'm photographing, so I'll see you then. Good morning. I can't fix this, I'm sorry, this is just crazy. I haven't really explained why I'm here, where I'm at, anything really, but I just woke up. I'm gonna get a quick workout and get some work in, and then I will touch base with you again and kind of explain where I'm at and what I'm doing here. Well, you know what I'm doing here. I'm photographing a wedding. I'll see you later. Okay. Hi. I was just really tired yesterday from traveling. I think working on the plane and just this past week has been so busy. And so frankly, I wanted to film more BTS and more like travel vlog stuff, but I just was so tired. So I'm just being very transparent and honest with you guys. With that being said, up to this point, I haven't given you much context for where I'm at. I am in Houston, Texas. First time here, very excited. And I'm not in fact photographing my last wedding. I'm photographing my last wedding of this season. So a bit of clickbait, I suppose, but I am here photographing an old friend of mine, Dan, his wedding vow renewal reception celebration with his wife, Lydia now. Very much been looking forward to this celebration. It's the last one of my season, and so I'm very excited to conclude my wedding season with this wedding celebration. Very excited to see some old friends from Chicago as well. I won't have a second shooter with me today, so I will do my very best to maybe bring you guys along and show you some behind the scenes and get some footage of the entirety of today as I'm shooting and working. No guarantees, but I'll bring you guys along and then we'll go from there. Do you guys like these vlog style videos? Do you like these more like raw, unrefined, less highly produced videos? Let me know, because maybe I'll make more of these next year. So okay, let's go. Sorry, I'm doing such a terrible job of showing this day. I'll try to do better. As you saw, that vlog was like and the reason why is because it was only half built out. It was very scattered. Frankly, like I mentioned in the vlog, it's because I was really tired while I was traveling. There was no good narrative to it. There was no story that I was building through the vlog, and because of that, I really felt like it was lacking just a lot of components. It was lacking a lot of energy and it wasn't captivating. But I still wanted to share that with you guys because it was a failure in the sense where I didn't publish it and I didn't want to publish it, and it just wasn't, it was boring. I'll just say it was boring. And I think because of that, it was a failure for me because I envisioned it to be this vlog for photographing my last wedding of the year, and it just never materialized into what I originally envisioned, and that's okay. And I think the biggest takeaway for me is a reminder that I've been trying to tell myself this entire year of publishing on YouTube is to build a narrative, to build the story out, and to have that be a very large, if not the largest piece to making these videos, because without a story, without a good story, it's really hard to bring your audience along for the ride and to really hold their attention. And that's what I was reminded of once again when I made that vlog, that failed vlog. I wanted to use it as this thing like photographing my last wedding, but in actuality, it was just photographing my last wedding of the year. And yeah, I just thought I'd share it with you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm really excited for next year as we're only a few days away. And this will be my last video of 2021. Really proud of what I've done on this channel. Really thankful for you guys and your support. And if you want to keep up with the videos that I'm making, hit that subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, leave a comment below. Follow my socials. That's really it. I hope you guys are all doing well, enjoying the remaining days of this year, and I will see you guys in the new year. So enjoy your New Year celebrations, and I'll see you soon. Bye.